Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on something a little bit different. I'm going to be working on this Russell Hobbs coffee machine. The problem is there is no power. I'll show you when I plug it in. It's completely dead. There is nothing at all. I have checked the fuse in the plug and it's not that, so I'm going to open it up and have a look. Now to open this, I think there's 2 screws here, and underneath these there's 4 screws. So I'll skip past this part and I'll show you it. Okay, so here is the inside. So the first thing I'm going to check, there is a thermal fuse under here. So I'm going to try and remove this clip. And see if I can get this out. Okay, so if I slide this back, we have a terminal fuse right here. Now to check this, I'm just going to use continuity mode, and if it beeps, it's okay. So take no notice of my multimeter. I'm using 2 red probes because I've broken my black one. So okay, so the fuse is okay. Next thing I'm going to check is this power board down here. So I'm going to try and get that out and I'll come back to the video. Okay, now I have this power board out, so I can see here there is a blown up cap. I don't know if you can see it. So I'll disassemble this board and I will get it under the microscope and we'll see if we can replace this and hopefully it'll work then. Okay, so here is the missing cap, and I've looked underneath the board as well, and there's a missing trace underneath, so it looks like it's burned out. Like if I follow this cap around, this is where the cap is, and it's missing a trace from here to here. So I'll replace this with some jumper wire, and I'll replace this capacitor, and hopefully that'll work. Okay, now it's time to test. Is it going to work? No, unfortunately that didn't work, so I'll probably look at it again in a future video. If you like seeing me trying to fix faulty items, please do like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.